In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit navigation bar in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to quickly reorganize your menu so visitors can find what they need fast. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and look at the very top of the page. Hover over the header area until you see the option labeled Edit Site Header, then click it. This opens the header settings panel, which is the control center for everything at the top of your site. Your logo, layout, and of course, your navigation. If your site has multiple pages or a logo image, you'll see those reflected here, so you always know what you're adjusting in context. Inside the header panel, look for the section dedicated to your menu and click Navigation. This is where your main links live, typically the set of pages visitors see across the top of your site. On some templates, you may also see separate areas for primary and secondary navigation. Think of the primary area as the main set of links and the secondary area as a supporting spot for items like contact or login. Opening the navigation section helps you focus just on the menu structure without distractions. Next, select Edit Navigation. This switches you into a clear list view of your menu items. Here, you'll see the pages and links that are currently visible in your header. If your site uses folders, they'll appear too. Folders simply group related pages together and can create drop-downs in your menu. This view makes it easy to understand what's showing to visitors and how items are arranged. Now, drag and drop to rearrange the navigation. Click and hold a page or link, then move it up or down to change the order. Release it where you want it to appear. If you need a drop-down, drag an item slightly to the right. Beneath a folder to nest it. You can also move items between primary and secondary areas if your design supports both, which is helpful for placing less critical links out of the main spotlight. As you drag, watch the site preview update in real time so you can confirm the new order looks right on the page. A few quick tips while you organize. Lead with your most important pages, keep labels short and clear, and aim for a tidy top-level list to reduce clutter. After rearranging, glance at the mobile preview. The same order carries into the mobile menu, so consistency matters there too. And that's it. With these adjustments in the header editor, your navigation stays clean, intuitive, and aligned with your site's goals.